Well, we're looking at a pretty pleasant evening here as we get started. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s right now. We've got 75 Savannah Airport. Beaufort checking in at 73. Right now in Pembroke, we've got 76. Blackshear 79 and 73 degrees in Vidalia. Most places reporting mostly cloudy skies like we have been throughout the day. Now, we did see the sun poking through from time to time. As we finish the day, though, and head into the evening, it looks like most areas are going to be stuck underneath the low cloud cover. The last couple of nights, we've even had a little bit of mist develop, and that could happen again. Those particles are so small we can't pick them up on radar, but we're not going to see any real rain develop as we head through this evening. The deeper moisture that could produce that is well off the coast. Again, right here, we're looking at just some clouds, and then we head out to the east and we can see the deeper moisture producing rain is pretty far offshore, and also heading down into Florida. Pretty wet finish to the day from Orlando northward to about Daytona, but north of that, just some clouds running through. Now, as we head through the weekend, we may start to see some shower chances creeping in. We look at our model forecast for the overnight. Clouds remain in place, and again, even though tomorrow the model shows clearing, the model does not do a good job of picking up on the lowest clouds, so we're likely still going to have more clouds than sun. But the good news is with this model, it keeps rain chances to our south. So if that's the case, we could get lucky and have a dry day, but there are some other models that show possibly some rain. Now, Sunday, it looks like there'll be a better chance of rain. This model has more clouds in it through the day on Sunday, but also keeps the better chances to our south and southwest. Either way, there's been some uncertainty in the model, so I'm going to keep the chances of showers in the forecast, and we'll just hope for the best. I would just recommend having an umbrella with you in case it rains while you're out there, but temperatures will be in the low 80s, and worst case, even if we do have a few showers around, it's not going to rain the entire time, just probably a small part of the time, so a good part of the time will be spent dry here as we head through the weekend. For tomorrow, we will wake up to 70 and mostly cloudy. Not going to rule out an isolated shower. And same thing for the afternoon. Not going to rule out a shower, but looks like most areas dry at a high temperature of around 82. High tide this evening occurs at 10:12. Meanwhile, out on the water, seas are going to be a bit choppy tomorrow and lower coming up on Sunday, down to 2 to 3 feet. Here's a look at your latest pollen report. Mold is still showing up as high, and weed pollen is moderate. All right, your storm tracker 7-day forecast has temperatures staying in the low 80s through the beginning of next week with a shower or thunder shower chance on Monday. And then it looks like a weak front will actually pass through. It should have some drier air coming in to give us more sun as we head through the middle of next week, and probably be a little warmer with more sunshine too. The highs up into the mid 80s.
Ooh, nice. We like these cooler temperatures.
Very comfortable.
Okay, definitely.
Thank you, sir.